Robin and Chet here with Sea Lake Journeys.
Sea Lake Journeys.
And we have Ringo and Enzo here today. Today we're taking you to San Juan, Puerto Rico.
What?
Woo!
How about that?
So we are off to breakfast in the Coral Dining Room. Breakfast is from 7 to 9. And then we're getting off the ship in San Juan. And what are we doing?
We're going to go see the old fort, and then we're going to go see, there's a street called Umbrella Street.
Umbrella Street.
That's not the real street name, but it's called that for a reason, and we're going to show you. Stay tuned.
I'm wearing Wonder Woman today.
How about that?
How about that?
And
capris.
Oh, and capris.
Woohoo. The tennis shoes, because we're going to be walking a lot today.
Bye
See you
now.
later. Once you exit the ship, you'll walk through the passenger terminal where the duty-free shops are located. Then you will proceed to the covered walkway that leads to the city of Old San Juan.
To the left, you'll see the Caribbean Princess. In front of us is the Carnival Mardi Gras. And off to the right is Royal Caribbean's Adventure of the Seas.
Throughout San Juan, you will find street vendors along the way.
Okay, we're on the hunt for Fortaleza Street. That's known to tourists as Umbrella Street. Alright, so we're on Fortaleza Street. We finally found that. Now we'll go this here way. We should run right into the Umbrella Street. It's not called. Okay, the weather chick's gonna tell you something.
Okay, so we're in Old San Juan, and if you notice, the streets are very narrow. They're made out of pavers, and the sidewalk is extremely narrow as well.
We ran into some loose steps.
Yes, a lot of loose tiles on the floor, and not quite enough room in some areas for a wheelchair to use the sidewalk. So I'm not sure if you want to, venture all this terrain when you get off in San Juan if you have mobility issues. Because this is a very steep incline, and we've come about half the way up the incline now.
Yep, very steep. Okay, here's the Umbrella Street, but today they got little
Butterfly wings.
Butterfly wings, okay.
That's right. Umbrella Street.
Butterfly
in San
wings.
Juan,
I'm
Puerto
sorry,
Rico.
the sun's so bright.
Yeah, it's pretty bright, ain't it?
Yeah.
Can you see?
I can see.
You see what's above us?
Mm-hmm.
How about
How
that?
about that?
Walk down this little alleyway right here, and it takes you to this old gate that's closed off.
Beware of the pigeons. For some reason, they really like to hang out here. If you take the sidewalk to the left, it'll bring you to this outdoor cafe where you can have a great ocean view, and you'll also see the side gate to the portion of the old city wall that we were just standing in front of where the pigeons were at.
I'm Amy Van Dorn.
Kenny Van Dorn,
And where are you from?
Springfield, Illinois.
Springfield, Illinois. So we're here today in San Juan, and as you can see, she's in a wheelchair. So we're going to have their opinion of what it's like in walking in San Juan with a wheelchair.
It's a little tough. The streets are narrow, trying to stay on the sidewalks. Cobblestones, it was a little rough. So we took a cab over to the streets with the
Butterflies.
butterflies,
Mhm.
but very inexpensive. It was only $11 for 5 people that's in our group.
Wow.
Yeah.
And I, obviously tipped the driver. But the roads and the sidewalks are just a little bumpy. She's kind of laughing.
A little
that
narrow.
She's getting vibrated. But other than that, it seems to be okay to get around.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Enjoy your vacation.
Thanks, you too.
So this is part of the wall to the city.
This is part of the actual wall of the old wall that surrounded the old city of San Juan. It has been partially restored. Here's Robin sitting in front of another section of the old wall that has a parapet. That's where the archers would sit, or sometimes the cannons and the muskets. And she's pointing here to this nice kitty cat chair made out of metal.
On the way back to the ship, we came across this little park. There was plenty of shade and lots of places to sit and relax. If you look closely, you can see the Adventure of the Seas in the background, and that shows you how close we were to the port. There were also local artists selling their crafts and artwork. We had a great day in San Juan. We hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you around the channel.